I head up the print division for a creative agency in Sydney. I've been married now for 17 years to my wife Nikki, and we have 2 children. When we were looking in the open homes, we were walking around a few times and we sort of thought, this house is us, we love it. But if we wanted to buy it, the front door had to be changed. It was very old. It was an old lead light door. There was double doors, and believe it or not, it didn't actually lock. We were looking online, and we came across Doors Plus, and we went into the Castle Hill office. Yeah, we want a nice, big, solid door. So he showed us basically the one that we have now. We was like, yeah, that's it. We want that door. We bought as an additional extra the actual security screen as well. We can actually have it open at night to let all the breeze through now, and with the comfort of the screen, keeping bugs out and kids in. The installs were just flawless. The front door, the whole frame came out, and the new frame obviously was put in place. It was my wife Nikki who sort of had all the faith. She was like, oh, it'll be fine. These guys, they know what they're doing. I was like, okay. So when I got home that night, I was blown away. Like the doors, you would think they'd been there the whole time. So Andrew, actually, the carpenter with Doors Plus, I take my hat off to him. Did an amazing job. So it wasn't just, here's a door, please go and organise everything. Part of the service was the installations all included, which was great. It was good news. See, we wanted to deal with a company because we have busy lifestyles. We wanted someone who could manage the whole thing, which was great. It was good news.